Jai Sriman Guha is saying that to Lakshmana and Sumantra, oh Lakshmana and Sumantra, you both go ahead and sleep. I can take care of you all tonight because I know everything in this forest. Then Lakshmana is saying that, oh Guha, I know that, I realize that you like every one of us and you will be definitely taking care of every one of us. But you know what, Guha, when Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami, both of them are sleeping on the floor like this, how do you expect me to go to sleep? How do you expect me to sleep very peacefully? Oh Guha, did you ever realize this? Yona devasuraihi sarvaihi sekyaha prasihitum yudhi. Even all the devatas, all the asuras, collectively, together, at once, even if they attack on one person, the one who will not be defeated by them at all, such is, that person is our Rama. Guha, do you see how innocently that kind of Rama is sleeping on the floor here? Oh Ram, oh Guha, did you ever realize that Dasaratha Maharaju did so many thousands of tapasyas, thousands of yajnas, thousands of Veda mantra pathanas? He got all these things done by several great scholars and rishis. As a result of all that, Dasaratha Maharaju got this Putra Ratnam, this diamond-like son. Such great Ramachandra Swami is sleeping on the floor, Guha. Do you see how he is sleeping? Guha, I don't think Dasaratha Maharaj would be alive after sending Rama this to the forest, because the most beloved son of Dasaratha Maharaju is Rama. He would not be alive. Guha, I am scared about all that. If Dasaratha Maharaju is not going to be alive, what is going to happen to this entire kingdom and the entire earth? Oh Guha, the moment Dasaratha Maharaju departs, our Kausalya Devi, Mata Kausalya Devi also will be no more at all. Oh Guha, if at all they are able to be alive, maybe only tonight. The moment this night passes, definitely Kausalya Devi and Dasaratha Maharaj will be no more. Oh Guha, at least for my mom, for my mother Sumitra, Shatrughna is there. At least by seeing Shatrughna, my mother Sumitra will be peaceful, even though I am so far from her. But how do we expect that Kausalya Devi, after having her son sent away from her, how does she be alive? How is she going to be alive? Oh Guha, I am getting all these kind of thoughts and I am getting really scared, and that entire Ayodhya is going to be completely destroyed, it looks like. Like this, Lakshmana is sharing all his thoughts and worrying a lot and sharing these thoughts to Guha, and spent all that night. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.